everybody, no strangers to the channel. We're looking at the Dripless caulk guns now. Over the last few years at the Coventry show for painting and decorating, I've made a beeline to come and speak to, well, Tom's here now, but we spoke to James previously. Now we're at the NEC, which is the installer show linked with the painting and decorating show. I thought we'll touch base again with Dripless caulk guns and we'll get Tom to explain, or Tommy to explain what the gun is if you've not seen it before. And as Beckwith Decorators, Phil Beckwith, the professional painter and decorator, we do actually have two of these guns on the go, one in each van. They're a really good product, and I think Tom can probably explain it with a little bit of the history of the company a bit better than what I can. So I'll leave it with you, Tom.
Fantastic.
So thank you very much.
Thanks, Phil. Yeah, so Dripless caulking guns, made in the USA, designed in the USA. Over here at the P&D Show, introducing our guns to the UK market. The gun is familiar to some of you, but not to others. Made out of composite materials. It's a polypropylene with fiberglass reinforcement, nylon with fiberglass reinforcement. Super tough. You can see our videos where we run over it with a pickup truck. Also, super lightweight and ergonomic design. So professionals can use this all day long without fatiguing their arms. The dripless function is really what sets it apart from other guns too. This gun's great to show with, because it has a drip and a dripless function. So you flip it into drip mode, it's like a typical caulking gun where you have to release the pressure. You go along, release the pressure, release the trigger, there it goes, that's the problem. You flip it down into dripless mode, and this is the magic. You go along, you release the trigger, and it stops flowing. So that's what sets us apart. The comfort, full features, rotating barrel, nozzle clean out, nozzle cutter up here on the handle, works all day long. If you have to use this gun for your job, get our gun, because this will be the best purchase you've ever made for your job. I'm
going to say, you can see me, you can hear me. I have this on my Amazon associate link, so if you want to look at that below, these roughly around about £20, and I will say it's the best £20 that I've spent for quality, and ergonomics is the word.
Ergonomics.
It's a really lightweight gun to hold, and fitting around your fingers, I've not got big hands. It actually fits really well for the trigger and the handle just there. And the nice feature is what Tom's mentioned, you can swivel it round, so you're not having to swivel the actual tube. You can keep that in place. That will be a tight fitting against the caulk gun at the back, but you can actually rotate it to wherever you want. So the gun might be in one position, but you can't get your hands in. You can bring your hand up that way or that way. I hope that makes sense. If you can't understand it, comments below, but £20 well spent.
Thank you, Phil. Yep.
Anything else you want to say about this being a very special pink edition?
We're introducing the pink gun to the market this year. We run out the pink gun every October. Donate $1 for each pink gun sold to breast cancer charities in the United States. We're hoping that the UK, some customer in the UK will pick this up, sell these, and donate to charity over here as well. Contact Phil, he'll know how to get in touch with us.
Good. Thank you very much for that, Tom.
Thanks,
always a pleasure to see you, and
pleasure,
thank you for coming over to the UK again.
Yeah, it's good to see you again.
Thank you. There's another thing that Tom wants to show me that was just off camera, and he goes, oh, let's have a look at this.
Yeah. This is called the Snappy Cap. What it does is it attaches to your Ergonomic Technology Series gun on the handle. You're gunning along, you're going, you're doing your job, you're going to take a break, have a beer or some lunch. All you do is just take the cap up over the nozzle. When you're ready to go again, just snap it back and off you go.
That's brilliant. Good.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Because it's on the gun.
Brilliant. That's really good. Excellent.